Hi, I'm Stefan, and let's talk about laptop computers. So, laptop computers are more mobile than their PC counterparts, but how mobile depends on which laptop you choose. We'll get into that later. But unlike desktop computers, you don't need an external monitor, keyboard, or mouse to run them because that's all built in by design. But it still has the external connectors in case you do want to hook up to an external device at a future date, for instance, a printer, or if you need to connect to a projector for a presentation. Gaming laptops and mobile workstations, on the other hand, are closer to their PC counterparts in terms of performance, but they are much less portable than the typical laptop. And speaking of typical laptops, the typical laptop and workload are just like a PC, except it's a more resource intensive project will expose the difference between a laptop and a PC. So it needs a cool and flat surface to keep cool. So try to keep it off of anything plush. Laptops are not as modular as PCs, so they're not very customizable. Maybe you can add some memory, but that's pretty much it. They still run full versions of software, so you still get your full functionality, just slower. The limitation is that it's slower than a comparable PC because of battery and thermal savings, but it's susceptible to more damage because everything is closer together. So spilling coffee on a laptop keyboard is much more expensive than spilling coffee on a desktop keyboard. For personal usage, it's more of a personal computer, and so keeping tabs on usage requires other software, but it's overkill for most people's use cases. You could use it for if you need a larger screen or for telework, for instance. Now for business use, like smaller work groups, it's for light to medium work on the go. That still requires full software capabilities. It's a nice portable freelance computer, photo editing, but video editing is going to require a more costly laptop or a desktop. It has no particular function for business work groups. It just works more like a team computer. And larger enterprise and teams, really the use of a laptop varies based on the departmental need. So you would choose a laptop for previously mentioned reasons and for more portability per dollar spent, and still maintain the key functions of full-fledged software. So next week, we're going to talk about tablets, supposedly the laptop killer. I'll see you then.